Hello, this is Stephen Whitfield with Drilling Contractor here on the floor of the 2022 SPE Hydraulic Fracturing Technology Conference and Exhibition in the Woodlands, Texas. With me right now are Stephen Baumgartner, Tech Advisor at GEODynamics, and Santo Pertito, Sales Manager at GEODynamics, and we're going to be talking about a couple of new technologies that the company is launching here at the conference. Gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me today. So Stephen, one of the technologies that's being launched here is a data analytics system that the company says can help predict sand and fluid flow. The company says it's one of a kind. Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Sure. Our Stagecoach modeling system is a fresh approach to looking at fluid and sand distribution within a frac stage. The industry has long assumed fluid and sand travel together when we pump these frac treatments. So with our modeling capabilities, the Stagecoach model itself takes and predicts where the sand and where the fluid ends up when you're done pumping your frac stage. It's a great opportunity for the operators to see what they're currently doing and then optimize and improve that sand distribution with the Stagecoach service.
So GEODynamics worked with 6 US-based operators on kind of testing this technology. Can you tell us a little bit about the lessons learned from this work?
Yes, the 6 operators and Geo on this project actually measured fluid and sand distribution in 2 different styles of fracturing stages. That data was used to validate the Stagecoach model. So rather than developing a model just from mathematics, we actually developed the model and also were able to validate with full-scale test data. Again, a first in the industry that our model is validated with actual data that represents the full-scale frac stage.
So Santo, another technology that GEODynamics is launching here is a new Frack Plug design. Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Yeah, sure. So your traditional frac plug has shear pins, and what we've done is replace those shear pins with a shear ring. So as you can see here, the simplicity behind this is essentially reducing human error on location. So we've put engineering controls in place to reduce potential failure points. And so the shear ring acts just like the shear pins, albeit a simple design and a simple quick connect. So essentially this connect would go here and it just pops into place, as opposed to someone manually having to put 6 shear pins in a 5.5-inch plug and screw them in. So you replace the shear pins in about 5 minutes worth of a makeup time to about 15 seconds. So the time savings for the shear ring versus the shear pins, and then likewise reducing some potential risks with the improper assembly, if you will.
Now you just talked about the time savings. How specifically does this Frack Plug design enable those specific time savings?
So there's kind of 2 components of that. One is the actual makeup itself. So as I mentioned, it's about 15 seconds to make up the plug versus about 5 minutes for a traditional plug. So that time savings is pretty significant, but the big benefit of running our plug is our frac trap tool. So a frac trap tool, you can run ball in place, and you have the insurance of catching the ball down hole with this retrieval system if indeed you have gun communication issues. So set the plug, pull up, you have gun communication failures for whatever reason. A simple thing is to pull up 25 foot, flow back 2 barrels per minute, the ball will be captured in the frac trap tool, do a short injection test to make sure you've captured the ball, and then once you've shown there's no pressure down below, you've caught the ball, pull out, and fix the gun issue.
Well, gentlemen, thank you again for taking the time to speak with me today and letting us know a little bit more about these products that you guys have been launching. Thank you again.
Thanks.
And thank you for visiting Drilling Contractor.